Presentation on Market Segmentation by Kaveshri, MCOM Previous, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Meaning of market segmentation. Market segmentation is the activity of dividing a broad consumer or business markets, normally consisting of existing and potential customers, into subgroups of consumers based on some type of shared characteristics. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a market of potential customers into groups or segments based on different characteristics. The segments created are composed of consumers who will respond similar to marketing strategies and who share traits such as similar interests, needs, or location. Features of market segmentation. First, market consists of individual and groups of people or institutions and corporate bodies. Their needs, their resources, their buying habits, and their preferences differ. Marketer recognize the importance of heterogeneous demand. Hence, they are keenly interested in subdividing or segmenting the market. That is, each segment can be a group of people with a similar or homogeneous demand, and the enterprise can offer tailor made marketing mix for each market segment or subdivision. Market segmentation gives farmer recognition to the fact that wants and desires of consumer are diverse, and we can formulate a specific market offering to specific category or segment of the market so that supply will have best correlation with demand. Varied and complex buyer behavior is the root cause of market segmentation. Second, market segmentation is a method for achieving maximum market response from limited marketing resources by recognizing differences in the response characteristics of various parts of the market. In a sense, market segmentation is the strategy of divide and conquer, that is, dividing marketers in order to conquer them. Marketing strategy is adjusted to inherent differences in buyer behavior. For different groups of customers, that is, market segments, we have different sets of marketing strategies. Segmentation strategy is an answer to the question: to whom should we sell our product and what should we sell them? It is a strategic choice concerned with doing the right things as opposed to tactical choice doing things right. And third, market segmentation enables the marketers to give better attention to the selection of customers and offer an appropriate marketing mix for each chosen segment or a group of buyer having homogeneous demand. Each subdivision or segment can be selected as a market target to be reached with distinct marketing mix. Fourth, the identification of customers' demand is the main premise of market segmentation. Through market segmentation, sellers try to identify those who are most likely to buy the goods and services. This customer orientation makes making segmentation an important pillar of the marketing concept and the modern marketing process. With the rising cost of production, distribution, and promotion, precise market segmentation has assumed consideration importance in marketing management. Market segmentation strategies. Market has three strategic options. First, undifferentiated marketing strategy. Marketers may not prefer the idea of market segmentation and differentiated marketing. In that case, we will have one marketing mix for several market segments. The advantage is that there is potential savings on production and marketing costs, as the company would face more specialized competition in each segment. It would have a relatively weak position in all segments. For example, biscuits and local soft drinks. Second, differentiated marketing. An organization under differentiated marketing strategy enters many marketing segments but has a unique marketing mix appropriate for each segment. It wants to do business successfully in several segments. For example, Hindustan Lever has one brand of bath soap for each market segment. An automobile company, example General Motors, offer a car for every purpose and personality. Indian Railway offers second class, first class and AC class accommodation. Each of these classes is targeted at specific segment of the travelers. Third, concentrated marketing. A firm may decide to concentrate all available resources on one chosen segment within the total market. It selects a market area where there is no strong competition and it can do best in that area. For example, Rolex watch company concentrate only on quality and high priced watches. In concentrated marketing, we have only one marketing mix. The product line is limited. Thank you.